Ever feel like your product development is all over the place and not really hitting your business goals? Well, you're not alone. That's why we at UXEC created this product design strategy framework. This handy framework helps you align your product development with your overall business strategy and keeps everyone on the same page. Let's jump in and see what it's all about. First up, we have the big picture. What are the main goals your product development should be hitting within your company? To create something truly innovative, your team needs to understand the history of the product they're working on. That's where the vision cone comes in. It's all about looking at the past, analyzing the present, and planning for the future. Understanding the past starts with a competitive landscape analysis or audit. This is where your team checks out what your competitors have done, what worked, and what didn't. You can look at, for example, both the user experience and the backend systems supporting these products to get a full picture. Then there's the NABC growth canvas, which stands for needs, approach, benefits, and competition. This tool helps your team figure out the biggest user needs, your unique approach to solving these needs, the benefits your solution offers, and how it stacks up against the competition. It's all about making sure your product stands out in a crowded market. But before you get too far ahead, you've got to know what's happening right now. That means talking to your users. Create an interview guide to explore what features and elements your current users are looking for. User discovery interviews are gold. They give you real insights into your users' needs, behaviors, and motivations. Along with this, build user personas to get a clear picture of who your target audience is. This detailed fictional character represents key segments of your target audience. One key concept here is the jobs to be done. This is about understanding what jobs your product is hired to do for your users. Knowing this helps your team focus on the right features. Next, let's talk about the future. Developing a user story map is a great way to outline the steps users take to interact with your product. The journey map helps you understand the user's journey and ensures you're thinking about both current and future user experiences. By taking an omni-channel approach, you make sure customers have a consistent experience across all touchpoints. It's also important to understand the different types of customers you have and what interests them. Creating persona cards for each customer niche helps your team really get to know who they're targeting. For example, some customers might just monitor your product, while others will be your biggest advocates. Don't forget the customer touchpoint map. This map outlines all the stages where customers interact with your product and how you can help them stay engaged. It helps standardize customer interactions with every element you offer. Lastly, it's super important to show your internal teams and stakeholders how your product stacks up against the competition. We've created some awesome slides to make it really easy to visualize and compare features. These slides highlight what makes your product unique and help you demo it to different customer niches, maximizing conversion and engagement. Additionally, we've included slides to help you showcase and demo your product effectively. Tailor your demos to each customer niche to maximize conversion and engagement when marketing your new features. Implementing these strategies leads to improved market positioning, profitability, and sustained competitive advantage. We look forward to seeing the innovative products you'll develop with this product design strategy framework. And don't forget, make every presentation a success with UXEC.